As you begin this course, I was purposeful in putting this lesson first, because it's most often the case that we seek out help in our relationship when we're hurting and we're feeling lost and we don't know where to go from there. And when I have couples come into therapy, one of the things that I like to do is to take them back to the beginning of their relationship when they fell in love. And the reason that I do this is because it helps them get to a softened space. When we're hurt, we often don't remember or take the time to think about what it is that we fell in love with. Why would we? We're busy and we get caught up in the day-to-day busyness of our life. But one of the things that I'd like to suggest as you move through these questions is to guard against thinking it's not this way anymore, and things like you don't do the things that you did when we first met. If you can, try to reflect without judgment or blame. Try to remember that your goal here is to simply remember a time when you fell in love. The things that you appreciated about each other. The things that maybe made you laugh, or the things that warmed your heart. Whatever that is for the two of you, just take the time and reflect a bit on what it was that you fell in love with each other. And keep in mind what I said. The goal here is to try to get to a softened space toward each other, which is very hard to do when you're hurting. But if you're in a too painful of a space, and it's too painful to reflect on the time when you fell in love, then perhaps come back to this. Come back to this after you've done some work in this course. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.